This is going to be a quick video of my 1989 Balterley Shell Satsuma. Yeah, it's going to be a quick video of my 1989 Balterley Shell Satsuma closed couple toilet. I do have the matching basin, matching mirror and the matching toilet seat, but I don't have the matching other accessories like the toilet roll holder, soap dish and toothbrush holder and so forth. So, get a quick video to show of it. I take these in to restore and resell, as well as keep for a collection just to work on. I work on these as well. It's a favourite of mine actually. Further the newer versions made in the 90s, but there we are. So give it a good flush now. Let me get another one. And that's the short video. The full video will be on YouTube if you want to see it. Thanks for watching, take care, ta-ra now.